If you want to automate Drawio diagrams with ChatGPT, this tutorial is going to save you a ton of time. Instead of building every flowchart or system diagram manually, you can have ChatGPT generate the structure for you, then paste that code straight into Drawio and instantly turn it into a visual diagram. It's fast, clean, and perfect for things like login flows, process maps, app architecture, and workflow diagrams. If this kind of tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. All right, let's get into it. The easiest way to automate Drawio diagrams with ChatGPT is by using Mermaid syntax. Think of ChatGPT as the architect and Drawio as the renderer. ChatGPT writes the diagram logic in code, and Drawio converts that code into boxes, arrows, and layout automatically. That means you can describe your idea in plain English, and ChatGPT can turn it into a diagram-ready format. First, open ChatGPT in your browser. Once you're in, type a prompt that clearly explains the diagram you want. For example, you could ask it to create Mermaid.js code for a website login flow involving a user, a front-end, and a database. The more specific your prompt is, the better the result will be. If you want the diagram to show decision points, approvals, data movement, or multiple systems, include that in your request. After you send the prompt, ChatGPT will generate Mermaid code for you. This is the part you want to copy. Make sure you copy the full code block exactly as it appears, because even a missing line can cause the diagram to import incorrectly. If ChatGPT gives you multiple versions, choose the one that best fits your workflow and your visual style. Now that you have the Mermaid code, open Drawio at app.diagrams.net. Once the editor loads, look at the top menu bar. You'll want to click the plus icon, or in some versions you can go through Arrange, then hover over Insert, move to Advanced, and click Mermaid. This is the feature that lets Drawio read the code and build the diagram automatically. A small pop-up window will appear. You'll usually see sample text already inside it. Delete that default text first, because you want to replace it with your own code from ChatGPT. After that, paste in the Mermaid code you copied earlier. Take a second to check that everything pasted correctly and that none of the formatting was broken. Once the code is in place, click the Insert button. Drawio will process the Mermaid syntax and create the diagram on the canvas for you. In just a few seconds, you should see your flowchart, system map, or process diagram appear without manually drawing each shape. If the diagram doesn't look exactly how you want it, go back to ChatGPT and refine your prompt. You can ask for cleaner labels, fewer steps, more detail, different branching, or a left-to-right layout instead of top-to-bottom. Then copy the updated code and paste it back into Drawio again. This back and forth is what makes the process so powerful, because you can quickly iterate until the diagram looks perfect. This method is especially useful for developers, product managers, business analysts, and content creators who need to make diagrams often. It helps you move from idea to visual much faster, and it removes a lot of the manual design work. Plus, because the diagram starts from structured code, it's easier to update later when your process changes. So to recap, the workflow is simple. Ask ChatGPT for Mermaid.js code, copy the generated code, open Drawio, go to Insert, then Advanced, then Mermaid, paste the code, and click Insert. That's how you automate Drawio diagrams with ChatGPT in a quick and efficient way. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials just like this one. And if you want, I can also show you how to create better prompts for ChatGPT so your Drawio diagrams come out even more polished on the first try.